Going up to the third floor. Upstairs we have a set of 3 units, all attached. Each has its own full bath. These rooms come with a private queen room. Bunk beds. This room will sleep 6 total. And again, your best views of the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. Come into the center area. You've got your dining room, full kitchen, a second bathroom. This room will sleep 4. And then we come into the third room. Bunk bed, sleeper, again, private balcony with great views. A third bathroom, another private queen sleeping area. And you can see Fat Harold's right there on Main Street.